It's warm outside, and making something fresh and tasty in your very own kitchen would be great. Well, here at Side Guy Cooks, we have a great recipe for you with Greek chicken pasta salad. So let's get started. First up, the Greek dressing. Fresh thyme works great as well. Let's have a taste. And it's perfect. The dressing's done. Now let's marinate the chicken. Boneless, skinless chicken breast works best. While the chicken marinates, let's cook the pasta. Rotini pasta works best. Time to cook the chicken. Pasta salad traces back to ancient Italy, where pasta was first eaten more than 2,000 years ago. In the Middle Ages, Italian cooks began preparing pasta dishes served cold, offering a refreshing summer alternative to hot meals. Italian-American cooking helped shape pasta salad by combining Italian pasta-making traditions with Americans' preference for cold, dressed salads. And over time, it became a staple at picnics, potlucks, and of course barbecues. Let's build the dish. let's check the seasoning. And it needs more salt and pepper. Salt and pepper makes everything taste better. Place in the refrigerator and serve chilled. Thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. Let's get a portion of this pasta salad onto a plate. Don't forget the fresh chopped parsley. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's have a bite. Wow, this Greek chicken pasta salad has grilled chicken breast, fresh veggies, creamy feta cheese tossed in a homemade Greek dressing. Leave a comment and or question below. And of course, the complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video, so head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Now that's the perfect recipe for an outdoor lunch. Stay with us. Check out the next videos.